Alright, you welcome to another tutorial where I'll show you how to make another Afro pop beat. On this breakdown, we'll be talking about how to make a beat for Tiwa Savage, how to make a Tiwa Savage type beat. So you know how it goes. We listen to the preview and then we'll break it down. Let's listen.
Really loud.
Alright, so that's pretty much the beats, just a preview. So what I started with was the chords, these chords here. That was what I started with. Then these same chords, I made a unique channel, then I reversed. You can see I reversed it here. And then I had this sound. Let me just play only the sound so you can hear. So that's pretty much for the chords. The chords, I think I played it with I rendered it already. Okay, I think I still have it here. Let's see what's okay. This is just a choir for Omnisphere. The thing is, some plugins I have just kind of resets when I close the project, so I have to always render my sounds as much as I can so that I won't lose the sounds I made. So I think this was from either Orchestra or FM8. That is this sound. But whichever, you can just get a piano sound and just use an EQ or something, which I think I did here. Yes, I added some EQ, made the radio, but without the EQ. It's regular piano, but with the radio effects. There's an effect in when you right click the presets on parametric EQ, you see radio effects. Yeah, so that's what I did there. Then the next thing is still using the loop I got from Looperman. It's a snare. Afro pop snare, very popular kind of snare with percussion, so I just got the vibe instantly with it. So that was what I got there. Then next, before I played the bass line, I had this guitar plug here. This guitar plug I remember was from Omnisphere. So let's listen. Yeah, then I added this sound. Also from Omnisphere. Then I came to the bass line here. added the bass here. You know, this is a minor. This progression is a minor progression, so it sounds I think it was a major seventh. I used a major seventh. That was the key. That was the chord structure I used. So that was the bass line. I have two or three. I think three. Yeah, three different bass line here. I have this regular one here. Then I have this one here. I have this bass line here. Yeah, then I got this one also. So that's pretty much I have like three different bass line. You know, I always in my tutorials I always talk about song structure. You know, when you're trying to build the beat up, this part was for this bass was for the intro, this bass was for the verse, this bass is for the build up into the other half of the verse. So let's listen to it. Yeah, then I finally added my kick to the percussions. Yeah, then I played this again. Yeah, I just reversed it then chopped it and I got this sound. Yeah, so that's how I got that sound, just to add more texture to the beats. Then I got this pluck sound, this xylophone pluck from Omnisphere also. That's what I got there. Then there's an interesting part that I have going on in the second part of the hook. That is the last 8 bars of the hook, which is this sound. What I did was just, this is the original sound. Then I pitched it up and then added gross beats. I did gross beats, just basic 10 presets. I did gross beats and this is what I got. So when I play it together, you hear something like this. Then, of course, the typical guitar. Yeah, so that's what I did there. and that's pretty much how the entire beat is just structured. Then I have my, of course, my drum rolls here. If you listen to it, you hear this. So this sound is one of the effects from a sound kit I got. I really should I really should take out time to know where these kits come from, but you know, I'm just always in the moment, so like I just forget where the sounds come from. So yeah, so that's pretty much how to make it Tiwa Savage beats. You just get the chords to have some kind of soul to it, maybe make it a little classy. Then the drums just have this bounce. You know, Tiwa, this is what I like Tiwa Savage as an artist, that her beats always has, it's not just normal, it has some class to it. No matter the type of, even if it's dance or love song, it always has some class to it. So that's what I try to do with this particular project. I wish I had the MIDI so I could see the note for note I played, but this is a dominant 7th chord I played. You can Google that. Sorry about that. Yeah, so that's basically how to do it to a Savage Type beat. See you on the next tutorial. It's your boy, Sir Classy.